It's a wrong title. Why business fails itself is a wrong title. I have given a wrong title for the people to watch who assumes as why business fails. Business never fails. It's what we fail in a business and accuse business got failed. Suppose we write an exam and we failed in that exam. Do we say the exam failed? No, right? We accept as we failed in that exam. Same way, the business never fails. We fail in business due to insufficient knowledge, learning, and experience, etc. Stop blaming this business failed, that business failed. Business is built for profits, not for losses. Business is made to exchange values. Some losers failed in exchange and abuse. The business got failed. Business is innocent. Write in comments what type of business you are planning. We plan to decode that business in future videos. In next video, let's talk about why do you want to do the business.